So as a hairstylist and a small business owner, I need to attract both potential clients and customers, and I incorporate the law of attraction into everything I do, and I use it to attract my dream clients and customers. And yes, there are technical ways to get your clients, but I want to show you the spiritual way of getting them to go alongside your technical parts, you know. What is up, everyone? It's your girl Ray Looks, and I am so grateful to have you on my channel right now. Out of all the other channels, you chose to be on mine, and I'm grateful. And my channel is all about the law of attraction and wellness. I just have a passion for mental, spiritual, and physical growth and taking you along the journey with me. But before I get into this video, don't forget to subscribe for more law of attraction and wellness videos. Like and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So I have been studying the law of attraction for about 3 years, and it was because I was so tired of living a mediocre life and thinking that this is the best it's gonna get, and that I wasn't deserving of all good things in life. I thought it was just like, this is how it was. And I was just too busy comparing myself to other people's success. You know, we all have that problem here and there. Then one day I decided that I wanted to be something better and to live the life that I truly desire. That's when I was introduced to the law of attraction, and incorporating this into all areas of my life has completely changed it, like 180. And I just want to share the magic with you, the magic of the law of attraction. And it all starts with us, our point of attraction. So the first tip I have is to visualize your dream client or customer. Imagine exactly who they are, how old, what is their personality, what value do they bring to you, how do they make you feel. They should be making you feel grateful, happy, and excited to have them as your client or customer. You know, each person's dream client is different. So think about your desires in the client and visualize how great they make you feel, and when they support your business, and all those good feelings that a client and customer should do. And remember, visualization works only when it's paired with the feeling of it happening, like the good positive feelings. So make sure you are really embracing that feeling while you're visualizing, and it'll just like heighten the feelings and bring your manifestations faster. The second thing to do to attract your dream client and customer is to express gratitude for the current clients and customers, because gratitude is a magnet for miracles. I say this all the time. Think about all the clients that you have now and write them down, like if you have to, and look at the list and be grateful for them, because if it weren't for them, you wouldn't be where you are today in your business, and you couldn't have made it this far without them. So if you are grateful for the things you already have, you will attract so much more amazing customers and clients to you. Just be grateful for the people you already have in your life right now. And the third thing to do would be to express who you truly are, and you will attract the right people that are vibing the same way as you. Because when you radiate your true self, you will attract people who are at that vibration. So sometimes you realize that you'll attract people just like you, with the same kind of attitude, interest, and personality as you. And you know, that's not a coincidence. You're attracting that. So just be who you truly are, and you will attract the right people to you. And also keep in mind that this can work both ways. So remember that what you put out there, you receive. So if you're radiating negative vibes, you will attract negative clients or customers, and maybe they'll give you issues, you know. So always keep your vibes high to attract your dream clients and customers, because you need to stay true to who you are to attract that same exact vibe, you know. And the last tip to attract your dream clients and customers would be affirmations. I mean, this works for everything. Affirmations are such a powerful tool in manifesting, and the key to affirmations is to attach feelings to them, just like visualization, because the law of attraction is based off of feeling. When you are feeling good, you are allowing the least amount of resistance to allow the manifestations to come to you, you know. So describe your dream client and affirm to yourself your dream client as if you already have them. So these affirmations can sound like, I have the best clients, I have the most supportive customers, my clients have the best personality and make my business so fun, I always attract the best clients to me. You know, stuff like that. Just remember that the secret to affirmations is the belief. Say these affirmations with the belief that it is true. And if there's any kind of doubt, stop it, because you're blocking your manifestations from flowing to you. You're creating resistance. So be in a state of feeling good and believe it when you repeat these affirmations to yourself, and that way the resistance is released. Manifestations can flow. Sorry. So that was my tips on attracting your dream clients and customers by using the law of attraction. For more law of attraction wellness articles, check out my blog if you want to read, and also check out my online shop that reflects my lifestyle, all about wellness and all that good stuff. And then you can watch a series on my YouTube channel on how I built that from square one, just so you can see the transparency throughout it. You know, I gotta be real and straight up. And follow me on Instagram so we can be friends. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful for you. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.